Hedgehogs have skin covered with tough spines, which serves as an effective defense system against predators. They possess an impressive jumping ability, reaching up to 60 centimeters. Hedgehogs are nocturnal animals, meaning they are active during the night to seek the insects they prefer. Some hedgehog species have air-filled pouches in their bodies, enabling them to float on water and swim. Hedgehogs tend to be solitary animals and rarely gather with members of their species, except during mating season. Some hedgehog species can change the color of their fur with the onset of winter and have more than 5,000 spines. One threat to hedgehogs is attacks by feral